Powerful contact form builder Shopify app tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to present for you the app of powerful contact form builder. It is going to be a very cool app that you can integrate within your Shopify store that will help you to set up, let's say, forums or have the sign up forms, subscription forms, and etc. into your store. So it is going to help you a lot for creating a future, let's say here, email campaign and etc. So it is going to be very needed, also very practical and very designed and appealing. So how you can get this app, basically you're going to head over shopify.com, sign in for an account and open up the admin dashboard just like that. You're going to type in on the search bar power, so you're going to put powerful contact just like that, and we're going to search on the Shopify App Store. So we are going to find it in here. Then you're going to install it just by clicking on install. So in my case, I will go ahead and click on install from here. It is not going to take a lot of time, so we are going to be good to go. Click on install and wait for a few seconds, and boom, here we have it. Now what I am going to do basically is to pin the app on the navigation, so it is not going to go away after I have finished setting up the app. Now let's begin with the interface of the app. It is simple and, as you can see, very creative. So we are going to have the number of submissions or the statistics of the submission in here. We can have some quick tutorials on the app. We have here the support channel that we can start the live chat from the support team, or get the help from the center, or email their support. Now you can change the language. As you can see, it is going to be very simple. We are going to have here three things or three steps that we can integrate. Integrate with the theme. This is the first step. The second step is going to be create a new form. And the third step is going to be customizing the form. So we are going to start by integrating the app with the theme, and then we are going to head over the other steps. So before we begin our journey with the specific app, it is going to be basically having us to put a plan. Do not worry, we have the free plan, we have a premium and also a pro one. As you can see, for the price, it is going to be here reasonable, I think. In my case, this is going to be the monthly plan. If you're going to have the yearly plan, it is going to decrease with a significant amount. So the free plan is going to give you the display from anywhere, one form, 12 fields, 40 submissions per month, 200 megabytes storage size, and the Google reCAPTCHA. So it is going to be basically here a simple plan. So we are going to continue with it. I'm not going to head over the premium plan because I do not need it. I'm going only to use my free plan. So after you have confirmed the plan, you're going to get this specific page, which is going to have the forums, the submissions. As you can see, we have an extension for the app, and the extension is going to be the forms, submissions, customers, settings, pricing plan, and the contact for the support. So it is going to be, let's say here, fully installed or fusioned within your store. Now, what are we going to do? Either we are going to import a form, or you can go ahead and click on create a new form. I'm going to click on create a new form. So here we have the templates, and at the top or the header of the app is going to be the categories that we want. For example, we have the contact forms. We have the registration forms, pop-up forms, booking forms, order forms, survey, warranty, wholesale, and third party. So all of these forms could be, let's say, united within the all forms, let's say here, showcased. You can see and select whatever a form you want. For example, if I want this one, I can go ahead. Before selecting it, I'm going to click on the eye, and it is going to give you the visualization of the form itself. You can go ahead and find it just like that. Now, if I am going to need, for example, here the let's say information about that form, it is going to be mentioned in here at the bottom of the as you can see, the form quadrant. So as you can see, for this one, it is going to be a contact form. It is going to be a basic contact form. This one is going to be a contact form with image, basic contact form with image, and etc. And this is going to be a pop-up for this discount, and here you have it. So you can go ahead and select the form by clicking on select, and then it is going to open up the editor. This editor, as you can see, it is going to be a Shopify based editor. It is going to help you to set up the elements, sections, the fields that are available for that form, just like that. Also, you can change maybe the language if you're going to have a multi-language or a multi-language website or lingual website. So you're going to have the ability to change it. Now, as you can see, we are going to have or start by the elements. We have the header. As you can see, you can modify the header. You can show the header or not. You can have the title of the header changed, also the alignment for it, and also the description. Aside from the header, we are going to have the elements, like the first page, which is this one. We have the first name, last name, email, phone, and message fields. These are going to be the fields that we have implemented. You can add elements like different fields in here, so you're going to be setting up, maybe, I don't know, here a phone, a password, a country, accepting terms and conditions, dividers, and whatever. So you can go ahead and customize your specific form as much as you want. We have also some, let's say, premium or pro features that could be added within the pro or premium one also. Also, we have the file upload and etc. And for the page, it is going to be added as a second step. So it is going to be a matter of steps, not only for the first one, but you can go ahead and add maybe some steps to the second one. Like, I don't know, here we have here some radio buttons, like having some options. You can name these options, put a label for them, set up the options that you want, and etc. So you can go ahead and put a multi-step form, and this is going to be something very cool. So this is the form itself. So let's go ahead here, and I think that we can delete these pages right there. So I'm going only to click on the page, and then it is going to take us to the content. So this is a tip for you if you have put with the wrong page again. So for the footer, it is going to be obviously customizable. You can have a text, a previous button, which is going to be here for the multi-step, let's say here, emails. We have the text, the submission button, the alignment of it, and etc. So here, as you can see, we are going to head over here. We are going to have the also the mail. We have the mail, the admin, and we have the as you can see here, the different options that we can find, like the subject. So basically that was pretty much it for the editing of the form. So you can have the appearances, you can have the image changed, as you can see in here, and you're going to find the styles and the width of it. So it is going to be up to you to change whatever you want from here. After submission, you can see the action. For example, clearing the form, giving a title like thank you for getting in touch. You can give them a discount, for example, if you have already a discount into your Shopify store. Then for the settings, we have set that it is going to be standard. Now for the integration, it is not going to be that important, aside from having maybe Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, MailChimp, and integrated in here. When you finish, you're going to click on save and publish the form. You can publish the form or display the style before publishing it. For example, as a float, a pop-up, a box, a default. So I'm going to have it only as a default and click on next. It is going to publish the form, and we're going to wait for it until it is going to be published. Normally, we are going to see that it is going to be installed in our website or in our store in Shopify. So we are going to confirm that. So we are going to head over the theme again and click on integrate on store or on the theme. We're going to wait for the app embeds, and here it is. It is going to be called here Global Form Builder. and we're going to find it somewhere in here. So it is going to be added just right there. So we are going to click on save, and here we go. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.